Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to waste your time or your money. Today, we're diving into the sky with two incredible drones, the Holy Stone HS720G GPS drone, or as I like to call it, the Holy Stone, and the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which we'll just call the Mini Pro. So buckle up, because things are about to get fly. Let's start with the one thing everyone cares about: the price. The Holy Stone will set you back $299. A steal, right? Reviewers love the affordability of this drone, especially given its feature set. The Mini Pro, on the other hand, costs a whopping $759. Many reviewers feel that while the Mini Pro is pricey, its advanced features justify the cost. Next up, let's talk cameras. The Holy Stone boasts a 2-axis gimbal with a 4K EIS camera. Reviewers say this provides stunning, vivid footage without looking shaky. The Mini Pro, on the other hand, promises real-time aerial footage with 20 kilometers FHD video transmission. Reviewers rave about the professional quality videos and images it captures, likening it to having your own personal IMAX theater in the sky. Now for battery life. The Holy Stone gives you 26 minutes of flight time. Not bad for a drone that's priced less than a fancy dinner for two. Reviewers appreciate the decent battery life for its price. But the Mini Pro? It boasts an extended battery life, letting you fly for a jaw-dropping 34 minutes. Reviewers find this particularly useful for longer shoots and adventures. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a newbie. The Holy Stone has multiple functions like headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold, making it super user-friendly. Reviewers often highlight its ease of setup and use. The Mini Pro, though, takes it up a notch with active track, 360 degrees, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Reviewers love how intuitive and advanced these features make the drone, even for safety first, folks. The Holy Stone has emergency stop, smart return to home, and GPS module to ensure you never lose your drone. Think of it as the drone that always finds its way back home, like a loyal Labrador. Reviewers appreciate these reliable safety features. The Mini Pro? It's got obstacle sensing in all directions. Reviewers are impressed with its advanced safety features, likening it to a ninja dodging obstacles effortlessly. Last but not least, portability. The Holy Stone is foldable and weighs less than a can of Coke. Reviewers find it perfect for spontaneous trips where you suddenly decide to become a drone photographer. The Mini Pro, however, is under 249 grams. No registration required, folks. Reviewers love the convenience of its lightweight design, making it the drone equivalent of a carry-on bag. Just grab and go. Online reviews paint a clear picture. The Holy Stone HS720G is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and solid performance, making it a great entry-level drone. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is lauded for its advanced features, professional quality footage, and extended battery life, making it worth the higher price tag. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone is your budget-friendly, easy-to-use option with solid features, while the Mini Pro is your high-end, feature-packed flying machine that costs as much as a small island. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping and happy flying. Product links are in the description.